it's Felicia. Welcome to the music section of Chicken Noodle Soup Dance tutorial. If you guys want the explanation part of this tutorial where I teach you guys step by step, make sure you guys click up there. I will also link it in the description box below. In this video, we'll go 75, 90, and full speed. If you guys need to make it even slower, make sure you guys click that settings button right there and you can make it slower or faster to your liking. Make sure you guys make that subscribe button gray and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. As per usual, don't forget that this video is mirrored, and let's get started.
Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. And bring it out. Let it rain, I clear it out. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. And bring it out. Let it rain, I clear it out. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. And bring it out.
Thank you guys so much for learning this tutorial with me. This is bringing back elementary school chicken dance vibe for me. If you guys cover this on Instagram, make sure you guys tag me at Felicia.cover so I can watch it. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!